Good morning, student. How are you? Actually, in 8th class math, this lesson was going on compound interest and chapter 10. Compound interest. In that part, I had explained about simple interest. 10.1, the question based on simple interest. Now, compound interest, you know that compound interest for amount A is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 n. What is n? N is the time. N represents here time. This is a formula for calculating amount if principal, rate and time are given. After that, Ci is equal to amount minus principal. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. For the question, first you calculate amount. Principal given in question, rate also given, time also given. Then you calculate amount. Then Ci compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Put this value in this, you get another formula, means Ci is equal to, directly you can calculate the Ci, amount value is P 1 plus R100 power n minus P. Now P as a common, then Ci is equal to principal square bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n minus 1. This formula we can use directly to calculate compound interest. So like this formula on your copy. Okay. Now question is that, suppose that on the basis of this I am going to solve one question. Exercise 10.2, question number first you see. Given, calculate compound interest on 10.1. Question number first part. Calculate the compound interest on rupees 2000 for 2 years, rate is given 10% per annum. See the question. Principal is given rupees 2000, rate is given 10%, time is given, n is given 2 years. 2 years. You have to calculate the compound interest. For that, first you calculate amount. Now see that amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. N is time. Principal is given rupees 2000. 1 rate is given 10%. By 100, time is given 2. This is 2000 into, you know the how can you solve the fraction, already you know, multiply by 3 here and add this one, 110 upon 100 to the power n 2. Now 2000 into 110 upon 100, 110 upon 100. See, 20 cancel. 20 cancel by 20. This 20 cancel by here. Now, I have given already. Remember the square from 1 to 30 I have given. Square of 1, square of 30. 1 to 30 I have given already. Use of that, you will find it there. Here 20 into square of 11 121, that will be 0 2 4 2. This is the amount after 2 years. If you are investing your money 2000 rupees at the rate of 10% for 2 years, after 2 years you will get 2420 rupees. Now 2000 is your principal. Then what will be compounding interest? CI is equal to amount minus your principal. What is principal? Money you are investing. Amount is given 2420 minus your principal is 2000. 2000 you will get rupees 420. This is your compounding interest by using the formula. One method given in book, step by step, means you have to calculate the interest of the first year, then amount after the end of first year, that amount will be principal for second year. After second year again interest for second year, means one year you can calculate and at the interest you will get the amount for the next year. That method, but here you see that amount, principal, rate and time, 4 variables are there. Maybe in question they will ask any of the variable, in how many years that money become that 4000 become 6000, at what rate percent 2000 rupees after 2 years become 2420 rupees. So they can ask rate also, time also, and amount also, principal also. So this is question number first one. One more question you see. Suppose that if the interest compounded half yearly or quarterly, okay? If interest, next formula, if interest compounded half yearly or semi annually. Semi annually or half yearly, both are same. Sometimes return PA after the rate. PA means per annum, means per year. PA means per annum or per year. Then rate will be divided by 2 and time will multiply by 2. If interest compounded quarterly, then rate for quarterly, the rate divided by 4 and time multiplied by 4. Whatever time is. Maybe in question rate divided 10% given. If interest compounded half yearly, the rate will be 5%. Time given 3 integral 1 integral 1 by 2 years is 3 by 2 multiply by 2, that will be 3 years. Maybe question rate given per annum and time is given also in years, but time given in fraction. Suppose time given 2 integral 1 by 2, n is given. If given in mixed fraction, suppose n integral q by p or p by q, then amount will be p1 plus r by 100 to the power n whole number part. After that 1 plus r into fraction part, p by q upon 100. That formula you can use. If time is given in mixed fraction, this formula you can use for calculating the amount. See, one more question I am going to explain. Question number third. Question number third. Find the compound interest on ₹2,000. Time is given same, one integral 1 by 2 year at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. See that? Since question number third is given ₹2,000, rate is given 10%, n is given 1 integral 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 years. Since interest compounded half yearly, since interest compounded half yearly, the rate is equal to rate divided by 2, 5%, n multiplied by 2, 3 by 2 into 2, 3 years, 2 to cancel, 3 years. Now amount is equal to, write the formula, T1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Principal is given 2,000. One rate is 5%. Time is given 3 years. Now 2,105 upon 100. How many times? 3 times. 105 upon 100. 105 upon 100. Maybe, don't worry, your calculation may be multiplication and division will be little longer, but don't worry, process is easy. 1230, 1230, 2510. See, all the numbers are divisible by 5. 5, 21, 5, 2 21, 5, 4 again 21. You know, square of 21, 400. 21 into 21. This is square of 21, that is 441 into 21 upon 4. Now you multiply 441 by 21, you will get 9,261. You will get 9,000. I am going to rough that one. 9,200 if you multiply 61 by 4, you divide this one, you will get 2315.25. This is the amount 25, yeah. Now compound interest, CI is equal to amount minus principal, means amount is 2315.25, principal is ₹2,000. You will get 300 rupees, 315.25. This is your compound interest. Further, now see, same question you will get. You write the question on your copy and use same method for calculation. Now See, in this chapter already I told you have to calculate rate, you have to calculate time, anything. See one question from 10.3, exercise 10.3, question number 11. Question number 11. It is given at what rate percent, what is asking, rate is asking, at what rate percent sum of rupees principal given 5,000 rupees 5,000. CI is given compound interest 1,050 rupees. Time is given 2 years. Year is given 2 years. A rate is asking in question, a rate. At what rate percent rupees 5,000 in 2 years give compound interest 1050. One method, if you want to calculate the amount, then amount is equal to principal plus CI. You will get. Other method is that directly use the formula compound interest. CI is equal to principal bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n minus 1. Now put the value whatever you can give. CI is given 1050 is equal to amount given, principal given 5,000, 1 plus rate is asking, time is given 2 years minus 1. See that this is multiplied, this side implies that 1050 upon 5,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 power n minus 1. 5 1 is 500, 21. This one minus this side will be plus 21 upon 100 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 power n. That will be 121. Now I am writing this side to this side. 100 plus R. N is given 2 here. 2 you write here. 2. 100 plus R implies that 100 plus R upon 100 whole square. That will be 121. 121 upon 100. You know that x square is equal to 4. Then x is equal to under root 4. Same method I am going to apply here. Hundred plus R, 100 plus R upon 100 is equal to under root 121 upon 100. Same method I am going to use. Now 100 plus R upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10. 0 0 cancel. Cross multiply. R is equal to 110. 110. This plus 100, this side minus 100. What is coming? 10%. Rate is coming 10%. Maybe here rate is asking, maybe in some question, in what time? For time, you know this formula, a power m is equal to a power n. If base are equal, then power will be also equal. If power are equal, then base will be also equal. So use that concept and try to solve some example you can easily solve this exercise. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.